Here is the guts and the base of a compact fluorescent lamp. I've been meaning to do this for a while, but never had time before. But this lamp failed in an interesting way. It glows the ends of the tube, but does not strike it, which leads me to believe this little green thing, which I'm pretty sure is a thermistor, never increases in resistance, and thus continuously shorts the output of the driver through one lamp, through the thermistor, and through the other end to ground. And that's it. So, what I'm going to try to do is remove the thermistor and or this capacitor if the capacitor is also bad, and we'll see if I can fit a glow starter in there, and see what it does then. See if I can get it to start a lamp again. Thermistor's out, but there's only 29.3 ohms between each of the two lamp ends. So I will now try taking out that green capacitor there to see if that is what is causing the short. There's the capacitor. And now let's see what the resistance is. Alright, connected up, and nothing there. Out of range, out of range, out of range, out of range. So, there is more than 2 megohm resistance between the ends of the lamp now. We are ready to go. Have the electronics screwed into just a table lamp, then through there, it'll come out one side, through the yellow wire, through this electrode in the tube, out of there, through the glow starter, to the other electrode in the tube, and then out the other yellow wire back to the electronics. I'm not sure if it's going to be at the lamp switch down here, or when I reach back to turn it on at the power strip in back, that it first tries to fire up, but either way, got my goggles on because I'm not sure if this is going to blow up or not, and I don't want my face to be what it hits first. Alright, turning on the rear switch. Well, crap, I think that just worked. The lamp is running. The lamp seems a bit dim when it's running, so I have my suspicions on this capacitor here on the starter. So I'm just going to grab my clippers and clip the leg of the capacitor to see if that will allow more power through to the lamp. I think the high frequency is allowing it to pass more current than it's intended to. So if I just clip that, and capacitor disconnected. Let's try and start it again. Contact. And there we go. The lamp appears to be functional. For the most part, and for now. While I'm at it, I'm going to see what happens if I disconnect the glow starter entirely. See if this will be able to strike the lamp with no assistance. And... oops. And it does. even further shenanigans. Will it start 2 lamps in series? Let's find out. Look at that. Running 2 F15 T8 tubes off of a ballast for a single F18 T5, T4, whatever diameter the compact fluorescent tubes are. Got the kilowatt back here plugged in. I'm not sure how visible it'll be on the camera screen, but that's on amp setting now. And turn it on. And we're drawing 0.21 amps from the line. That's with running twin lamps at what appears to be pretty much full brightness. The ballast claims 300 milliamps as its nominal draw, so it's actually pulling a bit less than what it usually does. Back to see what it does with one tube. Turns on. That pulls 0.16 amps from the line. So that is 11.3-ish watts. 19.7 to, yeah, 19 or 20 volt amps. Back to using 2 lamps in series. Power that on. This is now claims about 16.6, 16.7 watts, 26.4 volt amps for a power factor of 0.63. There's that. Interesting little project, and something that, well, I might not get around to putting it into some sort of enclosure, because this certainly seems like it could run normally like this all the time. The ballast is at, I don't know, 27 to 30, 32, and tubes are, yeah, tubes are just normal. Tubes aren't complaining. There's our share of silly hackery and fun for the evening. Thanks for watching.